In the College Board Unit 9 problems, they have a bunch of multiple choice problems. And number 1, they give us dx dt and dy dt, and they ask for y double prime, the concavity, with respect to x. So we need to find dy dx first of all. Dy dx is dy dt over dx dt. Using the given derivatives, we can simplify that to this. So the second derivative of y with respect to x twice is the derivative with respect to the parameter of the first derivative with respect to x over dx dt. And the derivative with respect to t of that is this, dx dt is that. And they want to know for which positive values of t is this second derivative of y with respect to x equal to 1. Multiplying both sides by 3t squared, and then multiplying both sides by 3 to get rid of the 1/3. We get this, getting everybody on one side, putting this expression in y1 in our calculator, and finding out where it has zeros that are positive. This is the only one, and that's choice D.